Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aurora, your local real estate expert, and today we are inside of one of Pulte Homes' most popular floor plans, the Mystique. We are in beautiful Seminole Palms community, a brand new construction neighborhood currently being developed in Seminole Woods, right here in Palm Coast, Florida. If you've been thinking about new construction, relocating to Florida, or just curious on what builders are offering right now, you're going to love this one. I'm going to walk you through the layout, finishes, and what makes this home stand out in today's market. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. All right, now, this is where Seminole Palms really starts to shine. As we walk through this beautiful Pulte home, one thing you'll notice immediately is how bright, functional, and open everything feels. Pulte has been building homes for over 75 years, and honestly, you can tell they really designed with everyday living in mind. The Mystique offers over 2,100 square feet of living space with 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Fully customizable, so whether you're upsizing, relocating to Florida, or just looking for more flexibility, this layout really works for so many lifestyles. And one thing buyers relocating to Florida always ask me is storage. This home definitely delivers. From the closet space to the garage setup and the overall floor plan flow, everything feels intentional and practical without sacrificing style. Walking into the main living area, I love how connected everything feels. The kitchen flows right into the gathering room and dining space, making this home perfect for entertaining, hosting families, or even just enjoying a quiet night in. And look at all this natural light coming in. It gives the whole room a bright coastal Florida feel. Now let's talk about the kitchen for a second because this is definitely one of the focal points of the home. You've got tons of counter space, modern finishes, plenty of cabinetry, and a large island that becomes the center of everything. I can already picture morning coffee here, kids doing homework, friends hanging out during game nights. This is one of the spaces that truly brings people together. Now let's talk amenities because this community definitely brings that resort style lifestyle. Residents will have access to a sparkling pool, a modern fitness center, open air cabana spaces, and scenic walking areas that really create that relaxed coastal living experience. And something I really appreciate about Pulte Homes is how customizable they are. They offer different layout options and design features so buyers can really personalize the home to fit their lifestyle. Whether you need a home office, an extra bedroom, a playroom, or more entertaining space, they really give you flexibility. Now heading into the owner's suite, this space feels like a retreat. It's spacious, private, and designed to help you unwind after a long day. The ensuite bathroom gives you a spa-like feel with modern finishes, dual vanities, and a clean, elevated design that feels both functional and relaxing. But what really makes this community special is also what's outside of the home. Seminole Palms is located right in the heart of Flagler County, which means you're close to just about everything. You've got seamless access to I-95, Daytona Beach, Palm Coast Town Center, shopping, dining, healthcare, and some of the area's top-rated schools. And if you love the outdoors, this location is amazing. There are over 45 parks nearby, more than 125 miles of scenic trails, and even 13 golf courses within close proximity. So whether you're into biking, walking, golfing, beach days, or just enjoying Florida's sunshine, there's always something to do here. And something a lot of buyers are excited about right now is the special financing incentives being offered. At the time of me filming this, Pulte is offering FHA 30-year financing specials with rates starting around 4.99% with a 5.675% APR for qualified buyers, which could make homeownership even more attainable. Alright, that wraps up our tour of the Mystique here in Seminole Palms by Pulte Homes. If you've enjoyed this home tour or seriously considering new construction in Palm Coast, I'd love to help you navigate the process, from builder incentives to lot selection and everything in between. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more home tours and real estate tips right here in Flagler County. And if you want details on this home or others in this community, you can reach out to me directly. I'm always happy to help you find the right fit. And I'll see you on the next tour. Bye.